morning, children. Namaste. Welcome back. Children, in the last session you have learned that sedimentary rocks are formed from the sediment. Examples for the different types of sedimentary rocks are shale. Children, shale is a sedimentary rock formed from clay and mud particles. Sandstone. Sandstone is formed from layers of sand particles. Conglomerate. It is a sedimentary rock formed from layers of pebbles and gravel. Limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock formed from hard shell coverings of dead aquatic animals. Children, now let us start today's session. Lesson number 3. Rocks and Minerals. Topics to be discussed. Formation of metamorphic rocks. Types of metamorphic rocks. Words to memorize. Metamorphic. M-E-T-A-M-O-R-P-H-I-C. Metamorphic. Metamorphic. M-E-T-A-M-O-R-P-H-I-C. Metamorphic. These metamorphic rocks that has undergone transformation by heat and pressure, means they are changed completely by heat and pressure. Metamorphosis. M-E-T-A meta M-O-R-P-H-O-S-I-S. Metamorphosis. M-E-T-A meta M-O-R-P-H-O-S-I-S. Metamorphosis. Changing of a thing into completely different one. A thing changes into completely different one. Marble. M-A-R-B-L-E. Marble. A hard metamorphic rock. Marble. A hard metamorphic rock. Slate. S-L-A-T-E. Slate. A type of metamorphic rock formed from shale stone. Slate. A type of metamorphic rock formed from shale. Gneiss. G-N-E-I-S-S. Gneiss. This is a metamorphic rock with dark and light bands on it. Gneiss. G-N-E-I-S-S. Gneiss. Quartzite. Q-U-A-R-T-Z-I-T-E. Quartzite. Quartzite is a metamorphic rock formed from sandstone. Quartzite. Q-U-A-R-T-Z-I-T-E. Quartzite. Quartzite is a metamorphic rock formed from sandstone. Children, before learning about metamorphic rocks, first let us know what is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis means changing of a thing into completely different one. Here you can see one slide, children. In this, caterpillar develops into butterfly. Butterfly looks completely different from caterpillar. Even though butterfly developed from caterpillar, it looks completely different from butterfly. So here the metamorphic rocks are nothing but the rocks which are formed from igneous and sedimentary rocks. But they look completely different from the igneous and sedimentary rocks, children. Metamorphic rocks. Due to heat and pressure, igneous and sedimentary rocks change into new rocks called metamorphic rocks, children. They look completely different from parent rocks. They look completely different from igneous and sedimentary rocks. These rocks are harder and stronger than the parent rocks. The different types of metamorphic rocks are marble, slate, gneiss and quartzite. First, let us learn about marble, children. All you know limestone, right? It is a sedimentary rock made up of shells of different aquatic dead animals, right? So, marble is nothing but it is a metamorphic rock formed from the limestone, children. Marble can be cut and polished easily. It occurs in different colors also. We use marble for making buildings and statues. Here you can see image of one building made up of marble, and here you can see a statue made up of marble. The Taj Mahal in Agra is made of white marble. I already told marble is available in different colors, but here Taj Mahal is made of white marble, children. Slate. Slate is shiny and smooth rock which can breaks into thin layers easily, children. This slate is metamorphic rock formed from shale. Shale, children, do you remember shale is a sedimentary rock? It is formed from layers of clay and tiny mud particles. So slate is made up of shale. Slate is used to make roofs, children. Slate is used to make blackboards and writing slates. Here you can see images, children, how the slate is used as a slate, writing slate, and blackboard also, and here roof. Gneiss. Gneiss, nice, children. So this is a metamorphic rock. Granite changes into gneiss. Due to heat and pressure, granite changes to gneiss. It has light and dark bands, children. This rock you can easily recognize with its bands, light and dark bands on it. It is commonly used in flooring and paving, children. Quartzite. Sandstone changes to quartzite. Do you remember, children? Sandstone is a sedimentary rock made up of layers of sand grains. So this, and it contains the mineral called quartz. So this quartzite, it is metamorphic rock formed from sandstone. It is used to make statues. Mostly it is used to make statues. Children, we studied that rocks are formed from substances called minerals. In this flow chart, we can see types of rocks based on their formation, children. They are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks, these are formed from magma or lava, children. There are three types of igneous rocks: granite, basalt, pumice. Sedimentary rocks. These sedimentary rocks are formed from sediment. Examples for different types of sedimentary rocks are shale, sandstone, conglomerate, limestone. Metamorphic rocks. This is the third type of rocks, children. Metamorphic rocks. These rocks are formed from igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks due to extreme heat and pressure. Some types of metamorphic rocks are marble, slate, gneiss, and quartzite. Children, in today's session, you have learned that metamorphic rocks are formed from igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks due to extreme heat and pressure. And these metamorphic rocks are harder and stronger than the parent rocks. The different types of metamorphic rocks are marble. Marble is a metamorphic rock formed from limestone. Children, limestone is a sedimentary rock, children. Slate. Slate is a shiny, smooth, black rock which is formed from shale. Shale is also a sedimentary rock, children. Gneiss. Gneiss is a metamorphic rock with light and dark bands. which is formed from granite, which is igneous rock. Quartzite. Quartzite is a very hard metamorphic rock, children. It is mainly used to make statues and it is formed from sandstone. Children, now read the lesson and do the given work.